Hey everyone, Giller Gray Man Prepping. Got an unboxing for you. Get the knife out. There we go. Let's see what we got in here. Paper. Doesn't make much noise. Ooh. Pumpkin seeds. That's from Seed Needs. And so there's, how many was it? At least 200 pumpkin seeds in here. And got one more thing here, but first let's, there it worked. See what we got in here. Got an adapter for the old type propane tank bottles I have. So they have the they got thread on it, and this makes it so I can put either that type thread or the twist the new modern type threads on it too. So I got a little thing here for a quick attach to it to get it going. All right, so that's what I got this time, and hopefully I will get some more stuff tomorrow. Till then, take care of yourself. Whoa, 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 time out. We're not done. All right, so a couple hours after the previous segment here, just before I went live, another Amazon driver, why they didn't just give this to the same one, came by with another box. So let me get my everyday carrier out here, and I will open this one here up. All right, so for the computer, yeah. So I ordered a set. I ordered two of these. These are USB port, extenders. So basically, one of the new laptops I got only has two USB ports on it, and I need to plug in a mouse, a keyboard, a thumb drive. I got way more stuff I need to plug into it than it has on it, including a mouse jiggler and some other stuff like that. So I'm going to open this up here so you guys can see what it looks like. Up close. Oh, what do we got here? Okay, one of the things I got earlier had like 4 pages of instructions. Yeah. Wow, this is called, you take this, you plug it in, and you plug everything else into that. So it's got a little short one out, so I can just plug it in right there next to the computer and plug in the other peripherals or auxiliaries, whatever you want to call them, into it here. And so got this for the newest laptop, and one for the laptop I've had for a while that I can't plug a shaker into it. I can't plug a thumb drive into it because it only has 2 ports, and I got the mouse and the laptop plugged in. So, and that's a Chromebook. So anyway, so I got that, and so that should make things a little bit easier in there and allow me to transfer data between laptops and stuff like that. All right, now I think I'm done for the night because it is it's 8 o'clock. So all right, so take care. Make sure you got everything you need for your prepping, and think outside the box and learn a new skill every month.